Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to put the wiper blades in service mode on a Hyundai Tucson NX4. See the wiper blade, it's all hidden there, so you can't really change it. So in order to do that, we're just going to go inside the vehicle and we're gonna put ignition off. We're gonna turn off the engine, and within 2 seconds we're just gonna press down on this and hold it there, and you will see that your front wiper gone up, so they are now in service position, and also the rear one, you'll see it's down here. So now just lift it and just change your wiper blade. Once you've done it, go back inside the car, put ignition on or start the engine, makes no difference, and then just press once down and they all gone back into their normal position, as you can see. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you on my next one.